There we go.
Lens there.
Yeah, you drop back down to 0. Let's see what we can do here. Go ahead and pull the trigger. There we go. Okay, go with it.
Alright, I see the penetration going through the core.
Absolutely.
That's what didn't happen with the axle.
That's right.
Shows you gotta pay attention in class. And the other thing is, it goes on clear.
Well, you can get a
That's a self-leveling agent.
You can get a dollar for it if you want it.
I bet he stayed up all night to pronounce that self-leveling. Hey, yeah, can we use that first? Yeah, that's spraying all right there. Drop it down with the spray.
Okay, Phil?
Sir.
Remember what that looked like when you took a picture of it? When that dries, it's going to look just like that. It's going to have that glass coating on it.
Now this vapor that's coming off here now, is that all a part of that product? Is that a residue from it?
No, it's not a residue. It's part of it because
this back side yet?
Oh yeah.
Okay, well it's dried something then, and that's why the color of whatever was corroded come back. Is that right?
Probably, but I haven't done this side of it yet.
Oh, okay, the inside.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna coat both sides of these fins.
Oh, okay.
The problem here is just getting.
Well, that's the problem with that side that is discharge. Now, if Randy helps you, we're in trouble, right?
Yeah, I was waiting on that one. I was waiting on that.
Well, and that's why that bottle gallon jug, if you spray it like that, that kind of mist, and that's why the gallon jug lasts longer.
Exactly.
Of course, you can spray and do all kinds of things yourself, yeah. That's the thing we didn't have with the temper coat. It didn't have the pan and all that other stuff.
In other words, when you look at it, he's not spraying it.
And also got hose pressure when he's spraying 30 pounds. Alright, thanks for your help.
Like learning, that's all.
Hey, yeah.
I can't get certified, Joe. I'm leaving.
You want your name on the certificate or?
That'll do it.
Yay.
Okay. I'm trying to get out across some rubber gloves. If you want some, Joe, I'll give you a pair.
Alright, Joe needs some rubber. That's what he needs. Now I get 5 of them out of one glove. Got the fingers off the other.
Make us cats jealous.
Turn it around, get the other side. Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking for the other piece.
There you go. Set it back to the pan. Nice move.
that bottom too.
Well,
Yeah.
I do not disagree with you.
Yeah.
Bill, any questions on what we just did?
I got one question.
Yes, sir.
Will that stop that?
If you clean it and get rid of as much as you possibly can, it will prevent it from getting worse than what it is. It ain't gonna make it any better.
We saw these others. I was just being facetious.
You want to talk about how this thing eats oxidation? Watch this. Come back in 2 hours and look at that.
So that actually dissolves the oxidation?
It eats oxidation. Yeah.
Really?
Yep. Repels oxygen and moisture. Totally.
So that if I've got one that's not this bad, I wouldn't waste the product on it, I don't think.
I think that was shot.
I mean,
don't
See
you?
the back runner?
Yeah, I looked on the other side.
Yeah, look at this side here. You got it. Wait, now, this one you might get. Does it eat oxidation? We can feed it a lot.
It's a little too expensive to be doing that.
Well, I've got what we just did down here for the feed. Got 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is shot is going to be the same. And this right here is where you need to do it. So we're going to do it, and we're going to do the other 3. So the other 3, and then there's maybe a couple of years before we're not going to do it. But the coils also don't have a coil. Easy to do. Easy.
It's got the clean on it.
What questions you got, man?
Is that it?
Oh yeah.
That one's all sprayed and done?
This
You
is
want
great.
to do that one?